hi. Say hi. Whoa. Does my training makeup look nice? It does. Mm. My clown makeup look good. Movie fringe. Wow. It's done by yours truly. You wanna get in my pants? I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think so. Yeah. You're a dick. 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 Hey, Mags. Huh? You wanna fuck me, Mags? Shit on your chest? Not off on my face? All for $5. $5 in my bag is better than yours. You know why? Because my name's Maggie Bitch. And I'm a whore. Stop recording.